Used new technology to make production better. The command used new technology to enhance production. Starting an at-home yoga practice can be good for retirees. Starting an at-home yoga practice can benefit retirees. She was confused by the customs restrictions when she arrived in Australia. She was bewildered by the customs restrictions when she arrived in Australia. It's important that families retain cultural traditions and language. I think that state-funded education offers many good things for society. I think that state-funded education offers many benefits or advantages for society. If we had acted sooner, we could have stopped the spread of the virus. If we had acted sooner, we could have prevented the spread of the virus. That is called conditional sentence. Many of our ideas have changed over time. Many of our ideas have evolved over time. We have a team of 10 staff who work together on different projects. Work together, collaborate. We have a team of 10 staff who collaborate on different projects. To be honest, I don't want to make the problem worse. To be honest, I don't want to exacerbate the problem. I have read through your report. It's great, but I want to change the introduction. I have read through your report. It's great, but I want to modify the introduction. It's one of the wealthiest neighborhoods in the city. It's one of the most affluent neighborhoods in the city. The most affluent is superlative adjective. I don't have an interesting job and the work I do is usually quite boring. I don't have an interesting job and the work I do is usually quite mundane. I don't have time to explain more about this right now. I don't have time to elaborate on this right now. How to start a conversation in Australia and practice speaking English. In a pub, in a taxi, at the supermarket, when you are traveling. G day equals to go day. G day equals to good day and the pronunciation is good day. Good day. Hello plus have a good day. How are you going? How are you? You will learn about Australian culture, language, slang, mannerisms. Strike up a conversation to begin or to enhance a conversation. What's the score? Who is playing? AFL equals to Australian Football League. We also have soccer and rugby and cricket and sports like that, but AFL is the most popular sport by far. There are 4 sticks at each end of the football field and everyone on the field is running around is in really short shorts. Do you enjoy doing it? You must meet some really interesting people. What are you studying? Do you like living here? What has been the hardest part about moving to a new country? Shop assistant and ask them for help. Hi there, can you help me to find the anything? Are you new to the area? Yes, I'm actually from or your country. I have been here for a few months. I am from Italy. I really loved veg from the moment I first tried it. Sorry for interrupting. Does this train go to the city? Excuse me, do you mind taking a photo of us? Excuse me, I have only just arrived in Melbourne and I am a little lost. Can you tell me where the post office is? Are you coming to visit? Second conditional sentences plus examples or English grammar lesson. Meaning: what it looks like. Extra tips: to imagine life is different, to give advice, to give reasons why, things that are impossible in the present. If plus past simple, would plus infinitive. If she lived in London, she would have English friends. What would you do if you quit your job? If you won $1 million, would you travel the world? If you only had one day in Singapore, what would you do? If you could travel to any country, where would you go? Give advice. If I were you, I would talk to my boss before I quit my job. If I were her, I would break up with him. Give reasons why. If I had the money, I would lend it to you. If I wasn't so busy, I would invite you over for dinner. Union Territory and their capital or Union Territories of India 2021. Territory मतलब क्षेत्र. Union Territory capital Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Daman. Delhi, New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, summer. Jammu, winter. Jammu, winter. Ladakh, Leh, summer. Kargil, winter. Lakshadweep, Kavarati. Puducherry, Pondicherry. Doctor's Day speech in English writing or speech on National Doctor's Day in English. Doctor's Day. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Doctor's Day. In India, the Doctor's Day is celebrated on the 1st of July every year to honor Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy and his contributions यानी योगदान who left an indelible जो मिट ना सके mark in the history of medical profession in India. He was also the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. He was born on this day in 1882 and also died on the same day in 1962. He was also honored यानी सम्मानित on February 4, 1961 with the country's highest civilian यानी असैनिक award Bharat Ratna. Doctor's Day is celebrated on different dates in different countries across the world. Several governments and non-government healthcare organizations celebrate this day. No doubt, the doctors play an important role in our life. This day provides us an opportunity यानी अवसर to thank physicians यानी चिकित्सकों, doctors that they do for the patients, the communities यानी समुदाय and for the society as a whole. Lastly, I would like to conclude यानी निष्कर्ष निकालना by saying that thank you so much for all your hard work. Your profession is noble यानी महान and now especially after facing a pandemic we salute your courage that each one of you shows every day with smiling faces. Thank you. Important days of June and July 2021 or June and July important days. 1st June 2021 World Milk Day. 3rd June 2021 World Bicycle Day. 4 June 2021 International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. 5 June 2021 World Environment Day. 7 June 2021 World Food Safety Day. 8 June 2021 World Ocean Day. 12 June 2021 Anti-Child Labor Day. 13 June 2021 International Albinism Awareness Day. Albinism मतलब रंगहीनता. 14 June 2021 World Blood Donor Day. 15 June 2021 World Wind Day. 20 June 2021 World Refugee Day. 20 June 2021 Father's Day. 21 June 2021 International Day of Yoga or World Music Day or World Hydrography Day. 23rd June 2021 United Nations Public Service Day or International Olympic Day. 26 June 2021 International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit मतलब अवैध ट्रैफिकिंग. नेक्स्ट जुलाई. 1 जुलाई 2021 डॉक्टर्स डे. 2 जुलाई 2021 वर्ल्ड यूएफओ डे. 6 जुलाई 2021 वर्ल्ड जोनोसिस डे. जोनोसिस मतलब पशुजन्य रोग. 6 जुलाई 2021 वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे. 12 जुलाई 2021 वर्ल्ड मलाला डे. 17 जुलाई 2021 वर्ल्ड डे फॉर इंटरनेशनल जस्टिस. 18 जुलाई 2021 नेल्सन मंडेला इंटरनेशनल डे. 26 जुलाई 2021 कारगिल विजय दिवस. 28 जुलाई 2021 वर्ल्ड नेचर कंजर्वेशन डे और वर्ल्ड हेपेटाइटिस डे. 29 जुलाई 2021 इंटरनेशनल टाइगर डे. My best friend essay in writing English or write a short essay on my best friend or best friend paragraph. My best friend. Friends are the important part of everyone's life. A friend is someone with whom you can share your joys and sorrows and who is there to help in case of need. I have many friends, but me or myself is my best friend. Or XYZ is my best friend. She is my classmate and my neighbor too. I am lucky enough to have true friend like XYZ. It is impossible to write about her in just few words. XYZ and I are friends since last 4 years. She is a very kind girl who has a round face with black hair and brown eyes. She is very funny and we often go out with our parents together. She is very gentle and very well mannered. She understands me a lot and become always ready to help me in my all bad or happy conditions. I usually study, play and dance with XYZ. XYZ's parents and my parents are very good friends too. We often have dinner together. On my birthday, XYZ always gives me very good and memorable gifts. I wish a great life ahead for her. I pray to God to keep our bonding strong and lively forever. Next है Ozymandias poem summary or summary of Ozymandias poem in English. Ozymandias summary. In this poem, the poet met a traveler from the ancient yani Prachin land of Egypt. He told the poet about the ruined statue Pratima of the great powerful king Ozymandias. He says that the statue is made up of stone in an old land. Moreover, Atirik, it stands on legs only. The upper body was destroyed. Furthermore, the face of the statue lay nearby on the sand wreath. It was damaged and destroyed by the passage yani mark of time. The face of the statue had expressions of displeasure and a taunting Tanamar smile. The wrinkles and lines of the face were also there. The poet says that the sculptor Sangatraj sculptor who had made the statue had read the expressions on the Egyptian king Ramesses' face very well, as he was able to copy them onto his statue so accurately. सही रूप में these expressions continue to exist even after the king's death through this lifeless statue. The traveler next describes the words inscribed अंकित किया on the pedestal kurmi of the statue, which say, "My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings." Look upon my words, ye, tum, mighty, parakrami, and disappear. The king announced himself as the mightiest. He wanted other kings to fall, be littered, come ho jana in front of him. The poet says that the now nothing else other than this engraving Utkirna remains. The statue broke down with the passage of time and its broken pieces could be seen lying around. The vast, Vyapak or Vishal desert Registan stretched all around and it seemed to be endless. The statue of the great king Ozyman dies was nowhere to be seen. Thus, in this poem, the poet brings out the vanity, ghamand of human pomp, vaibhav, and power. Everything in this world is temporary and is bound to crumble and brought low with the passage of time. Even the mightiest ruler, dynasties, Rajvansh, and regimes, Shashno, will bite dust and their works be buried in the level sand. Nothing can stand and withstand Samna time forever.